Hi, and welcome to Professor A's Designs. Today we are going to discuss naming your Photoshop projects for the purposes of my class. Every single project that you submit to me needs to use this naming convention, whether it's Photoshop or InDesign. I will require this, otherwise, I don't know who you are to give a grade to. So rather than submitting project one with your just generic information, I'm going to need a very specific naming convention. So that's what we're going to go over today. So first of all, you're going to go to File, File, Save As, and then we're going to go to our desktop, and you'll notice that it automatically defaults to whatever your base image name is in the project. Our naming convention is going to be first name, your first name, hyphen, your last name, hyphen. Then we're going to put your section number or CRN number that's located on your syllabus, hyphen, and then the project number. If you don't save your projects this way, I will not know who to give the grade to. I bulk download all of your projects, so when they come through, they're not identified as coming from a particular student. So I will need you to use this naming convention on every single project. Make sure this is ingrained in your workflow so that every time you save it this way, and you will submit .psd files to me for all of your Photoshop projects, and we'll go over how to submit your InDesign projects when we get to that section later on in the semester. For now, just remember that every project you do will need to be first name hyphen last name hyphen section hyphen your project number and your file extension. For Photoshop, all of those are going to be .psd or native Photoshop files. If you have any questions about how to save your projects as .psds or Photoshop files, please see the other tutorial in this YouTube channel about how to complete that process. Have fun.